How to see sensitive content on Twitter. So guys, by default, you are not allowed to see sensitive content on Twitter. I just saw this update now and I realized many people are asking these questions. So if you are one among the people that want to see sensitive content on Twitter, you cannot turn this off or turn it on the app. So you need to go to your browser, open your browser. As for me, I'm using Safari. You can use any browser of your choice. So go ahead and search for Twitter. They are yet to change their name on the browser app. So you can go ahead and search for Twitter. When you search for Twitter, you're going to be seeing Twitter here. So if you are facing any case when you click on the link and it's opening the app for you, it's taking you to the app, that's not a problem, guys. Go ahead and click on the link, click on open new tab, and it's going to automatically open on your browser. So go ahead and sign in. Go ahead and sign in your account, put your password. I'll be doing that. So when you've properly signed into your account, I've done that already on your browser, go ahead and click on the profile section, go to where it says settings and support, click that, go to where it says settings and privacy, go ahead and click that as well. Go to where it says privacy and safety, click on privacy and safety, scroll a bit, you can see content, click on that. When you click on that, as you can see, I've already turned on my own. So display media that may contain sensitive content is already turned on. So if you want to turn it on or turn it off, do that. Go ahead and do that. You can also click on the search setting. Click on the search setting. When you click on the search setting, you can go ahead and click hide sensitive content, or you want to unhide sensitive content. You can go ahead and do that. So that's it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. So you can go ahead and turn on or turn off your sensitive content on Twitter. See you on the next one.